In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs in your 2019 to 2025 Toyota RAV4 with the 2.5 liter hybrid. If you are new here, I'm an actual working tech that makes how-to videos that are straight to the point. Now let's get into this. The only tools you're going to need for this job is an 8mm socket, a ratchet, a long extension, and a 14mm spark plug socket. The first step once you get into the engine bay is to remove this engine cover. We'll just pull right off. The next step is to remove these connectors off the coils. Once those are removed, you're going to remove these 4 8mm bolts off of each coil. Now you're going to remove all 4 coils. You can just kind of set them in the orientation that you pulled them out. Next, you're going to remove the spark plugs out of each one of these spark plug wells. Once you have all the spark plugs removed, now you can install your new plugs. Tighten them all the way by hand until they stop, and then we'll torque them down. Now we're going to torque all 4 spark plugs to 15 foot-pounds. Reinstall the coils. Bolt them back into place. Plug in all 4 coil packs. Then reinstall the engine cover. And that's it. You did your own spark plugs on your Toyota RAV4. If this video helped you at all, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what else you'd want to see.